How I got started with my business online? Well, I wish I would have known before how easy it really was. It was less than 2 years ago when I came across an ad where this guy Martin talked about a video series that could help me start up an online business. Of course I thought it was a scam in the beginning, but I was curious, so I decided to at least take a look at the videos he sent me. These videos opened up a new world to me. The teacher was Stuart Ross, and he really knew what he was talking about. He showed me a different kind of ways to earn money from the internet, but best of all, he did it with integrity, and I really felt how different this education was compared to so many others out there. His education company SFM puts man first instead of the opposite. SFM taught me how to find my own values. Yeah, we all have great value to provide. And how to build a business that I love to do. A business that was designed to fit my interest and the life I want to live. Stuart promised me that if I build a business with the intention to help others, to provide real solutions to their problems, the money will follow. And he was right. This business provides me with a steady income that supports me and my family every month. And I'm proud of what I do every day. I just love my work. So therefore, I want to give you the same opportunity I had. It all started with this video series that taught me what was possible and how to get started. I will give it to you for free if you click the link around this video and make sure you give me your best email address. You don't have to wait. You will get the first video in your inbox within seconds. Remember, I give this to you as a gift. You have nothing to lose. The worst thing that could happen is that you got some more knowledge about how it's even possible to create an income from the internet. If you don't want any more emails from me, just click the unsubscribe button and you will never hear from me again. But if you do feel that you also want to give yourself a chance to make a change in your life, to build a new business for yourself that can help you design the life you really would like to live, you need to take action. You need to click this link and take that important first step for yourself. For the ones you really love. As a member of SFM, you will never be alone. We have your back. So click this link now and fill in your email address, and you will have your very first exclusive training in your inbox within seconds. I see you on the inside.